Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the MoneyGram app. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this simple method. If you are iOS user, then you have to open your Apple Store. If you are Android user, you can directly search on your Google search bar or you can use your Google Play Store as well. So here you have to go and here I will directly search for the MoneyGram app. Okay, MoneyGram. So here I will directly search for MoneyGram app. So here if you scroll down, here you can see MoneyGram money transfer app. So to install it, you click on here. So from here you can see the app. So you have to click on this install button from here and it will automatically download and install the app in your device. If you scroll down, you can also read the reviews from here of the other people, and if you want to write the review, you can also write it from here. So by this way you can download and install it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.